Nah, I can't do that wheeze on command.
You guys had the information from the previous round. I don't know why you decided to go back on that. You just threw whatever logic and information you had from the previous round out the window.
It makes sense. Was like,
it does make sense. Grizzy, they were vouching for each other. You voted out Pezzy. The game continues. It has to be Grizzy there.
dude,
what is going on?
And Hyper, I don't know why you aren't going harder on this.
No, dude, the EU ping is what cooked us. I would have gotten both of them out if the EU ping didn't kick in, bro.
Hyper, you gotta go harder. Grizzy won because he just was harder on that. Also, why didn't you guys call them?
Dude,
Who killed you?
I know who it is. It's Puffer and Deluxe.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I saw Deluxe vent.
Oh my god. Okay, there's
wow.
Oh my! So I threw.
Puffer.
Oh,
It's Puffer himself alone. He did
And Speedy. I think it's.
Wait, what?
It's true, it just...
Oh, you're just... Oh, we have 4 people. Holy fuck.
Talk. Where's everybody?
okay.
Because Side's last position was on vitals. I don't know where he went after that or how late he
He went up with me to the top right reactor, and then after that, I didn't see him.
I was
What do you
like,
mean he went up with you to the top right reactor?
We went up there to check and see if someone's on it. Someone was on it, and we fucking left. And then he went left, I went right. I don't know who was fucking on it. It was already someone on it.
It was me, bitch.
Okay, quit throwing.
Deluxe straight up said,
around the entire map.
Okay, that's great. Anyway, at the end of the round there, Nasty saw me searching for bodies while reactor was out.
Everybody
bottom
on
right.
tap in on their ears. I saw Deluxe
You
hopper
just
still
came up
there.
from.
Who accused event?
good.
Someone said I vented at the very beginning. I don't know who the fuck said that. What the fuck?
I won't die. I'm scared.
Where did you see me vent?
I'll do top left
I want them
reactor.
to deafen so bad.
Puffer, was it you?
Grizzy. I don't think you understand what just happened.
Wait, who was the fucker? Who was the...
I was talking. I forgot, bro. Miss that. Oh my lord.
Damn, that was fast.
Oh my god.
Is it an admin?
So someone died. No. Hold on.
Just want to say your daddy's clear.
Step bro, where are you? Are you with your sister?
Where are you, Step, bro? I need you right now.
Bro, what task are you doing? I'm voting skip.
No! Let's vote skip. Vote skip. I'm voting skip.
Don't vote it. Actually, skip vote, not vote skip. Skip vote, not skip.
Your daddy, what are you doing?
Your daddy was doing wires. Your daddy walked in at the same time as vote skip did.
Mommy?
Mm-hmm.
Mommy, why are you following me?
Because I saw the same thing. I saw the body in navigation, and I went there to go to it.
Grown-ass man saying mommy. This is weird.
Where's your daddy?
Your daddy
In Florida?
Wait, so mommy followed you when you were gonna go report the body?
I saw the body on admin table. Mommy saw the body on admin table, and mommy get the body.
Daddy
Who killed your sister?
Daddy gave mommy a spanking.
This family is so dysfunctional.
Daddy voted for mommy. I'm gonna. Mommy and daddy are having.
No. Don't vote mommy. Mommy's clear. Mommy's clear.
Mommy tried to kill me.
Mommy was doing download.
I'm gonna have to change my name to Child Services next round. What the fuck is going on?
How did mommy get into electrical when we were all doing lights? Like she...
Mommy was in there.
Was mommy showing Step bro how to kill?
Mommy was stuck in a vent. Step bro came to save the day.
Skip vote. Leave mommy out of this.
What are we doing?
Go ask your daddy.
Vote no.
Leave mommy out of it. Go ask your daddy.
Oh my god.
Mommy.
Mommy almost went to space.
That's really cool.
My mommy an astronaut.
Whoosh.
Holy bitch. What is anybody?
Oh! What the fuck? What the fuck?
I don't even know who that was. Was that Yummy?
Oh my god, you okay, dude?
It was fucking yummy.
Okay. I didn't see shit. I knew it was one of you two.
Let's go. Hyper goes, kill me, bitch. Yeah, we just fucking kill him instantly. with no hesitation at all.
Yeah, I mean, who'd you vote for?
Grizzy.
Yeah.
I guess.
No
has to end
hesitation
here.
at all.
If it's Grizzy, that's impressive. That's impressive.
What the fuck? Nah, I can't do that wheeze on command. I am with you.
Who the fuck is it? Grizzy? Is it you?
I just kidding. That'd be boring.
No,
It's gotta be one of them. It's gotta be one of them, right?
I think-
It's gotta be Pete or Deluxe, right? Right?
I think
feel
we're being
it's
hunted
Deluxe.
right
I feel
now.
like it called a button to vote
I think
someone
we're
else.
being hunted
That's
right
what
now.
I think. Yeah, I think it's Deluxe, right? Because he's kind of.
Nah, he's in lab now by himself.
Yeah, but that's what's weird. Wait, he's in here. He's in here.
Wait,
He's in that
what?
vent. He was in that vent. He was moving from vents. He's moving from vents. He's moving from vents. I can see it on it. I can see it on this.
fucking
Now he's in
way.
reactor. He's in reactor waiting for us.
Okay, let's just go do
Dude,
this
let's just
shit.
fix reactor and then
Let's
pull it
just
off.
go do this shit. He fucked up so bad there. Yeah. I saw 4 people in admin and I was like, hold on.
Dude. Thanks, dude. All right,
Oh,
all right. We
no.
all know what to do. No one say a fucking word. No one say a
Watching
word.
a spectacle happen there in admin.
Nobody's. You went for someone to vent in from cameras and kill? Uh-oh.
Everyone did.
Oh, I got it. Okay, you know it's not me because I reported a cat.
I want to retell the story. So there was me, Vanoss, and Grizzy all hiding underneath the lights with Marcel dangling as bait by the vent. We were gonna catch a killer. We were destined to catch the killer. Well, Vanoss slips out mysteriously, you know, presumably to go do some tasks. And then in walk Nogla and Moo questioning what we're doing. And then off in the bottom right corner, you see a vent pop and a banana jump right in it. And then a banana jumps out the other end and shoves Marcel.
Wait, is that a glitch?
Completely saw your banana.